despite the jovial and wonderful atmosphere as it nears Christmas. We're stuck in here for the winter. Look at it. This is ridiculous. Yes, look at my table. It's got about a ton weight of snow sitting on it. Just everything's absolutely. At least the heater on my pond's working. It's keeping the water ice free. Otherwise my fish... Look at this. That's about a foot deep there. The fence here's collapsed with the weight of snow. It's a wonder my blooming little green plastic greenhouses are still standing. What the heck? And it's not stopping either. The snow just keeps coming. Oh my. At least my birdies are being kept fed, I think.